Hi, Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs here, and today I'm here to talk about Easy Peasy Spray Wax. Now, it's exactly what it says. It's a wax in the form of a spray. And the great thing about this is doing spindles on a chair, doing picture frames, anything that has deep details. This is actually a great product, and this is one of my favorite waxes to use. It dries in 30 minutes, but it's the fastest curing sealer that Dixie Belle has. It actually cures in 6 hours. And you can apply a second coat after an hour, so you can use as many coats as you want. I'm gonna show you how quick and easy it is. And I'm also gonna be showing you on a dark color. You all know that dark colors are harder to seal just because they show any type of brush mark or any type of flaw when it comes to the dark colors. I'm gonna show you how quick and easy it is to use Easy Peasy Spray Wax. It's one of my favorites. It gives you that soft buttery feel and that look of a nice soft wax finish, but it's quick and easy. First thing you need to do, you need to shake it up. Make sure all the ingredients are all shook up inside the bottle. I like to use the Dixie Belle applicator pad. This works perfect to get a nice, even, flawless finish. So let me show you. I'm gonna go ahead and do this door, and I'm gonna bring you in. Okay, first thing you need to do is you just spray the wax on evenly all the way around the area that you wanna seal. Okay. And then I'm gonna take my applicator pad, and that's how I'm gonna spread it around and get an even finish. So I'm spreading it around, getting into all these little cracks and crevices, where these areas would be kind of difficult when it comes to a paintbrush, but when you're using the Easy Peasy Spray Wax, it's really just this easy. Okay, I'm just spreading it out, making sure the entire surface has a coat of the wax on it. And you treat this just like you would any other clear wax as far as what type of surfaces you'd use it for. Okay, got it all spread out. And look at that beautiful finish. And you won't have any brush strokes. And like I said, this will dry in 30 minutes, and it's gonna cure, fully cure in 6 hours. How easy is that? Now picture this on picture frames, on spindles of a chair. You know, those are all difficult areas to seal. Okay, well there you have it. The easiest way to seal your piece. It's quick and easy. It's called Easy Peasy Spray Wax, and it comes in clear. That's the only color it comes in, but this is also great to put on your piece before you're gonna be doing colored waxes as well. Because when you're doing your colored waxes, you kind of want a clear wax underneath so that you have more time to move the wax around and you're able to manipulate it a little bit better. You can put on a coat of the Easy Peasy Spray Wax first before you use your colored waxes. So like I said, you can treat this just like you would a normal clear wax from Dixie Belle, but this is in the spray form. Like I said, quick and easy, cures in 6 hours. You can't get any better than that. Okay, well this is Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs showing you Easy Peasy Spray Wax. Until next time, I hope you have a great day.